In today's world, every click and search leaves a trace, your digital footprint. Want to erase it? Learn how to take control of your online presence. A digital footprint is the data you leave online, divided into two types: active footprint and passive footprint. Step 1. The first step is to audit your online presence. Google yourself to find personal data in public domains. Check data broker sites and assess old social media and accounts that you may have forgotten. Step 2. Find and delete unused accounts. Change privacy settings on existing accounts to secure your information. You can use tools like JustDelete.me to help remove accounts. Don't forget to remove any old posts. Step 3. Opt out from data broker sites. Manually or through services, you can remove your data. Step 4. Secure your browsing. Use privacy-focused browsers and disable third-party cookies. Step 5. Delete Google and search engine data. Clear your search and activity history. Step 6. Secure your emails. Delete old emails and use encrypted email services. Step 7. Protect your future digital footprint. Use alias emails and avoid oversharing online. Though erasing yourself online is nearly impossible, these steps ensure your privacy is safeguarded. Take control today. Have you ever tried deleting an old online account? Share your experience in the comments below.